cinnamon and nutmeg in here, and I'm going to mix it together. Alright guys, just the sugar, cinnamon, and then nutmeg. Alright, I'm going to separate the lumpia wrappers. Just start at the end and then start separating them one at a time. Just like this. That way it doesn't tear apart. Just slowly separate them. Alright guys, here's our lumpia wrappers. So even though this plantain looks like this plantain is still good. This is not the regular banana. So this plantain is perfectly fine. I cut it half. If you guys have the regular banana also, that's fine. I told you this banana is still good. I'm going to get one of the wrappers. So I'm going to dip the bananas, sugar and cinnamon mix. I'm going to roll it. I'm going to use this egg. And then put it at the end to seal it. Another one. You guys don't have to dip it in the sugar mix if you guys don't want to. You can also put it here and just sprinkle the sugar however you want it. You guys can do that as well. So I have my finger, 2 fingers right here, and then others holding that down right there. That way it doesn't just roll away from you. Seal your lumpia, you can use flour also instead of eggs. Flour and a little bit of water, just like paste. The banana lumpia, so I'm getting ready to fry it. I'm going to add vegetable oil to fry the lumpia. So I'm gonna turn down the heat to number 2, and I'm gonna put my lumpia in the pan. Alright guys, we're ready to fry our lumpia. Make sure that your heat is not too high, because if it's too high, then you have cooked lumpia wrappers and then your banana is not done. See, it's golden brown. So I'm going to turn it. sugar. Butter. So at this time I turned the stove to low to slowly add the butter.